COSORI's electric glass kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, COSORI's electric glass kettle is the smart choice.
A 1.5-litre kettle with smooth rounded design and dual-wall construction combines elegance with performance. Slide the variable temperature control level to your desired setting. LED lights indicate the exact temperature. Select 100 degrees Celsius for a full flavour extraction of your black and herbal teas. A little less for French press coffee. Or even lower heat for green tea. The temperature gauge maintains precise readings, even when the kettle is removed from the base. And the dual-wall construction keeps the water hotter longer. Elegance and performance for your kitchen.
Introducing Sanford all-new double-layered food-grade electric kettle. 1.7-litre capacity with 360-degree rotatable design. Food-grade SUS 304 stainless steel inner shell. Easy-to-use double-layer structure. Dedicated storage space for power cord. (360 rotatable and anti-skid baseplate power cord. Low boiling time consumption. Steam auto shut-off technology. Wide mouth design for easy to use and clean. Cool touch body design for anti-scald protection. Sanford all-new double-layered food-grade electric kettle.